Hi, my name's Hollis. I play as Rylan Ludell in Star Wars Combine. Welcome back to my series on how to script NPCs, protocol droids, and quests using Lisp. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to start. So what can you script and where do you start typing? So first off, to talk about what can I script, we're going to go over to the rules page for scripts. And as you can see here, the NPC team can script any type of entity, so even tents, ships, droids, but for regular players, we can only script custom NPCs and protocol droids. So if you want to know what types of droids are protocol droids, we'll go back to the rules page. And any protocol droid on this page is scriptable. Some of these might even be something you can CP spawn. As for custom NPCs, the only ways to get them are to spawn them with your CPs or buy them from someone else who spawned them. You can spawn them using this interface, but there are some requirements. I think the most difficult of these is that you have to spawn them while in a workers compound. The problem with workers compounds is that they're available to all, but not many people have them because they decrease planet morale. So it's hard to find them, but in the forums, people have said that there's definitely one on Dara 4 in one of these cities. I haven't confirmed, but I believe so. And I have been to one on Bothwi in one of these cities in the Both system. So you have a few options. You can ask around on the Discord if you want to find more of them. As for me, I am currently at the year 25 Tatooine swap meet, so I went ahead and bought myself a protocol droid. Most scriptable entities, you'll be able to talk to them here, but as you can see, there's no button to talk. That's because we haven't written a script yet. So the first thing I'm going to do is to go over to my inventory. I'm going to give my protocol droid a cute name like Geraldar. Great name. And then over here in the options, you'll see the link to edit the script. As a note, you have to either be the owner or manager to see that link. You will not get it if you are the supervisor. Or only the supervisor. Now we are here on the script page for Geraldar. We have the large interface and a save button. That's all we really need to know for now. In order to pop up that talk button, we need a start function. So I'm gonna go ahead and start. I'm gonna go ahead and write it out, and then I'll explain more after. So define a function called start, and then I'm gonna tell it to say, I demand an oil bath. And then start and close parentheses. Start and close parentheses. Now I'm gonna hit save. So I'll talk more about this in future videos, but just for this one, to demonstrate the talk button, that's all I'm doing here. So let's go back to the scanner. Okay. I have my script on one side, and I am here at the swap meet on the other. And now you can see that where there wasn't a talk button before, there is a talk button. When I hit talk, what happens is the website searches for a function named start in the droid's script, and then it will execute in order whatever is in that function. So as you can see, we now have a little text box and it says, I demand an oil bath. So thank you for joining me for this video. Today we talked about what you can script and where to get them, and then what to click to start scripting. In our next video, we're going to talk about what functions are and how to add responses. Thank you again to Kay Dalben and Lilith Delcroix for their tutorials that I learned from. and subscribe to see the next video.